Hi, my name is Ted with Legacy Brand Leather. This week I'm pretty swamped. I got a couple big projects going on right now. So I'd like to take about 2 minutes or so and just share something you can do with your scrap leather. Let's get to it. We're going to be making a small bracelet with some Montana tan scrap that I have left over. Just clean up the edge, and I'm making this 3/4 inch wide. And I'm using an English tip on the end here. And then I'm testing to make sure where I need to put the other end before hammering the second English tip on it. From there I'm going to be adding a hole in each end. And here I'm just beveling the edges with a fine edge beveler before adding some toconal and then burnishing with the rotary Dremel tool Cocobola wood burnisher. Once that's been all burnished up, you're going to be adding the hardware. I'm using some antique brass line 20 snaps. And here's my snap setter. Attach both ends of the snaps and you're good to go. It's a simple little scrap project. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's pretty cool to see what you can do with some scraps and a couple bits of hardware. So I like the idea of using the scraps for different small projects, and I'd like to make this a recurring segment. So if you have any ideas of what to call this, go ahead and pitch them out there and maybe I'll pick yours. I'm on Instagram at Legacy Brand Leather. Go ahead and give me a follow there. I post daily, share different projects and things I'm working on. And besides that, I'll see you next week with a new video. Stay safe out there.